Common skincare mistakes and how can avoid. Your skincare routine might be roasting your face worse than your ex's DMs. From over-scrubbing like a dish sponge to slapping on retinol like it's ketchup, today we're exposing the dumbest skincare mistakes you're probably guilty of. Number 3, and how to fix them. Let's turn your face regret into face gains. One of the biggest and most frustrating skincare mistakes people make is stopping acne treatment too early. Totally understandable. You start a new acne cream or pill, and after a week or two, your skin still doesn't look better. In fact, it might even look worse. So you think it's not working and give up. But here's what most people don't realize. Acne treatments take time, usually 6 to 8 weeks and sometimes even longer, to start showing real results. Why does it take so long? Most acne medications, especially topical ones like benzoyl peroxide, retinoids like tretinoin, or antibiotics, work by gradually reducing inflammation, preventing clogged pores, killing acne-causing bacteria, promoting healthy skin turnover. This process doesn't happen overnight. In fact, it's common for acne to temporarily get worse before it gets better, something called a purging phase. This isn't a sign that the treatment is failing. It means your skin is speeding up its renewal process, bringing clogged pores to the surface faster. What science says. Clinical studies consistently show that most acne medications need at least 6 to 12 weeks of consistent use before their full benefits are seen. Dermatologists stress the importance of sticking to the prescribed plan, even if the results aren't instant. For example, a 12-week study on topical retinoids found that significant improvements were most noticeable between weeks 8 and 12, not during the first few weeks. Antibiotics like clindamycin or oral treatments like doxycycline also need several weeks to calm inflammation and reduce bacteria. What you can do instead. Be patient and consistent. Use your acne medication exactly as directed, even if you're not seeing results right away. Track your progress. Take weekly photos in the same lighting. It's easier to notice changes over time this way instead of judging it day by day. Talk to your doctor before quitting. If you feel the treatment isn't working, speak with a dermatologist first. Sometimes all it takes is adjusting the dose, frequency, or combining it with another product, not quitting altogether. Quitting acne treatment too early is like stopping antibiotics halfway through. It not only doesn't help, but it can make things worse. Stick with it, give your skin time, and always follow up with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. Common skincare mistake: using too many new products at once. Another of the most common and often overlooked skincare mistakes is introducing multiple new products all at once. It's easy to fall into this trap, especially with so many must-have routines circulating on social media. But the reality is, more isn't always better. In fact, layering several new products together can overwhelm your skin, leading to allergic reactions, irritation, or even a worsening of existing skin conditions like acne or eczema. Why this happens? Each new product contains its own mix of active ingredients, preservatives, fragrances, and botanicals. When you apply multiple unfamiliar formulas at once, your skin is suddenly exposed to dozens of new chemicals it has never encountered before. If something causes a reaction, like redness, itching, burning, or small rashes, it becomes extremely difficult to know which product is to blame. In dermatology, this is known as contact dermatitis, and it can be either irritant contact dermatitis, caused by harsh ingredients stripping the skin barrier, allergic contact dermatitis, caused by a sensitivity or allergy to a specific substance. Scientific insight: studies in dermatology journals show that fragrances, preservatives like parabens and formaldehyde releasers, and certain essential oils are common causes of allergic skin reactions. Even active ingredients like retinoids, salicylic acid, and AHAs can trigger irritation if used improperly or combined too aggressively. A clinical review in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology emphasized that introducing products one at a time with at least a 1 to 2 week gap is the safest approach for people with sensitive or reactive skin. How to avoid this mistake? Follow the one new product at a time rule. Introduce only one new skincare product every 7 to 14 days. This gives your skin time to adjust and helps you identify any reactions. Patch test first. Before applying a new product to your whole face, do a patch test. Apply a small amount to an area like the inner arm or behind the ear for a few days to check for any redness or irritation. Simplify your routine. Start with the basics: a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Only add treatment products like serums or exfoliants once you're sure your skin tolerates them. Read ingredient labels. Watch out for common irritants such as alcohols, synthetic fragrance, menthol, and citrus oils. These are more likely to trigger allergic or irritant reactions, especially in sensitive skin. Using too many new skincare products at once can do more harm than good. Your skin thrives on consistency and balance, not overload. By taking a slow and steady approach, you'll be far more likely to find what works without risking a reaction. Common skincare mistake: not having a clear skincare goal. One of the most common reasons people get frustrated with their skincare routine is this: they don't have a clear goal. Without knowing exactly what you're trying to achieve, it's easy to waste time, money, and effort, and sometimes even damage your skin by using the wrong products. Why a clear skincare goal matters. Think of skincare like medicine. You wouldn't take a bunch of pills without knowing what they're treating, and the same logic applies here. Whether you're dealing with acne, dryness, hyperpigmentation, signs of aging, or sensitivity, each condition has different causes and needs specific, targeted treatments. Without a defined goal, you might use too many unnecessary products, mix incompatible ingredients, expect unrealistic results, make the condition worse, over-exfoliating already irritated skin. Scientific backing. Dermatologists often use evidence-based treatment plans tailored to a specific skin concern. For example, acne responds well to ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or topical retinoids. Dry skin benefits from humectants like glycerin and occlusives like petroleum jelly. Hyperpigmentation requires consistent use of ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, or azelaic acid, and strict sun protection. Using products outside of these goals may not only be ineffective but may also disrupt the skin barrier or cause irritation. How to avoid this mistake? Identify your primary skin concern. Start by asking, what do I want to fix or improve? Common goals include clearing acne, evening skin tone, reducing wrinkles, hydrating dry skin, or calming sensitivity. Keep it simple and focused. Choose one primary goal at a time. Build a routine around it. Once your skin is stable, you can consider layering in other treatments gradually. Research evidence-based ingredients. Look for products backed by clinical studies for your specific concern. Don't just follow trends. Your skin deserves science, not hype. Be patient and consistent. Skin doesn't transform overnight. Most treatments take 6 to 12 weeks to show visible improvement. Jumping from one product to another without giving it time won't help. Consult a professional if needed. If you're not sure what your skin needs, talking to a dermatologist or licensed medical professional can help you set a personalized, realistic skincare goal. A clear skincare goal is the foundation of an effective routine. Without one, you're just guessing, and your skin can pay the price. Focus on one goal, use proven ingredients, and stay consistent. Common skincare mistake: copying someone else's skincare routine. In the age of beauty influencers and social media, it's easy to believe that if a product or routine works wonders for someone else, it will do the same for you. But here's the truth. Skincare is not one size fits all. Copying someone else's routine, even if their skin looks amazing, can backfire and make your own skin worse. Why this happens? Your skin is unique. What works for someone else may not work for you because of differences in skin type, oily, dry, combination, sensitive, skin tone and pigmentation, age and hormonal factors, underlying skin conditions like eczema, rosacea, or acne, environment and lifestyle, climate, diet, stress levels. So, while your favorite influencer might swear by a 10-step Korean routine or a powerful retinol serum, your skin might react with breakouts, irritation, or dryness. What science tells us? Dermatologists emphasize that treatment plans should be personalized. For example, people with sensitive or dry skin may not tolerate ingredients like glycolic acid or strong retinoids. Someone with acne-prone skin might benefit from salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, but those same ingredients can dry out or inflame someone with rosacea. In darker skin tones, overuse of harsh exfoliants can increase the risk of hyperpigmentation rather than improving it. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that patient-centered skincare approaches led to better outcomes than generic or over-the-counter routines alone. How to avoid this mistake? Understand your skin type and needs. Is your skin oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? Are you dealing with acne, dullness, fine lines, or discoloration? Start there. Use products with purpose. Every product you apply should target a specific skin concern. Avoid layering trendy products just because they're popular. Introduce one new product at a time. This helps you see how your skin reacts and prevents confusion in case of irritation. Consult a professional when in doubt. If you're unsure about what your skin really needs, a dermatologist or medical skincare professional can help build a routine that works for you. Final takeaway. Copying someone else's skincare routine is like borrowing their prescription. It may not suit your needs and could even harm your skin. Instead, learn what works best for your unique skin and focus on evidence-based, personalized care. So next time you're tempted to scrub your face like a dirty pan, don't. Your skin isn't a cast iron skillet. Drop a comment with your biggest skincare oops moment and smash subscribe so you never have to say RIP my moisture barrier again. Mic drop.